Hello, good morning, afternoon, evening, whenever you're watching this. This is Mr. Reed, and this is the week of May 19th through May 25th. And first of all, I want to thank you folks for going to the EOC last week. It was nice to finally meet some of you. Some of you I've met before, and some of you I had not. So it was nice to put a face with a name. So this week we're going to just be doing a little algebra thinking and on a couple of games. I'm going to show you the examples and explain how you're going to get graded on this week. First thing we're going to do, I'm going to have links in focus to get to these. I'm going to pause this for a second. First thing you're going to do is an activity that's called Weigh the Wangadoodles. And you're just going to use some algebraic thinking to figure out how much these things weigh. And this is what it looks like. So you'll hit the link and it'll bring you here. And it's going to say you need to figure out how much these things weigh. And you're going to do this until you get it right 3 times, at which point you'll take a screenshot and that'll be uploaded. So I'm going to want to see 3 separate screenshots, and they should look like this after you've completed one. Okay, so once you've completed one accurately, you'll see this feedback down here that says, excellent work. This is what you're going to take a screenshot of. I'm going to want 3 of those. So you should have 3 of these. So then you'll just hit new puzzle and it'll take you to a new one. Then we're going to go on to something different, and I'll show you that right now. Alright, I wasn't ready yet. Hold on. Pause this again. Alright, this one's called the X Detectives. And I'm going to show you this, but this is what you'll be taking a picture of. You're going to be on level 3, and when you solve it, it'll say awesome. You're going to do 3 of these again, but I need to see where it said awesome that you got them done, and I want to see 3 screenshots for your homework. And so this is going to look like this. Hold on one second, I'll pull up the site. Okay, that's the site. It's going to come up here. You say apply, onward, give you some instructions. You're going to manipulate your car. And so right here is where you're going to select your level. You're going to select level 3, read all your instructions, and it's going to give you these 3 things, and you have to figure out how much each of these things cost. And this up here is a slider. You can just slide it up and down for your answer. And again, once you're done, once you get it correct, it's going to say awesome up in this over here in this area right up here. Okay, so that is the second thing that you're going to be doing. So you'll just have 2 links in focus, 2 links to each of these sites, and then you'll also have 2 places to upload 3 pictures from each. 3 pics total, 6 pictures, but it'll be 2 separate homework assignments. And then finally you're going to have a forum based on after you complete both of these, because they're both the same concept. I'm going to want you to explain algebraically using real words how you figured out a way to solve these other than just guessing. So if you just guess, it's going to take you a long time to do this. If you figure out how to do it algebraically, you'll have the whole week's homework done in about half an hour. So, and that's it for the week. But the forum is graded, and getting these 3 picks from each of the sites is also participation grade. So easy points this week, but if you don't do them, you will get a 0. So that's it. Mr. Reed out.